guys, welcome back to my channel The Plush Girl. I'm so happy to see you all. So today I'm going to do a Navratri look which is going to be very beautiful. So इस वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक देखिएगा और मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. And do not forget to hit the bell icon. So let's start with the skincare first. So I am applying my moisturizer which is of Plum. Ready skin. So now next step will be my aloe vera gel which works as a primer. So taking a little bit amount of it and just applying it on my T-zone in a dabbing motion. Now I am taking 2 pumps of my favorite foundation Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 and I am mixing Nykaa Naturals Rose Hip Cold Pressed Oil in this. Only 2 drops. It just gives your foundation a very dewy finish, guys. Okay, so I have taken a little bit more of my foundation and you can see the results. Okay, next I'll be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to brighten up my under eye area and some of the points on my face. And blending it properly. As I have already told you, blending is the key. So blending is also done. Now I'll be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder to just set my base. Now slowly dusting the powder off the lid and just starting with my eye makeup. For my brows, I am taking Lakme eyebrow pencil and just going to fill in the gap. So you can clearly see the difference in both the eyebrows. So for my eyeshadow, I am taking a transition shade from my You Can Be palette which is Steady and applying it on my crease line. And like always, I forgot to dust off my baking. Done on both sides. Now I'll be taking a brown shade from my Sugar palette and with the help of my angular brush I'm going to make a wing close to the end of my brow. Now flip the color outwards so that there is no harsh edge of that line. I'll be taking my Lakme Iconic Kajal and just applying it on my lid to give it a smoky effect. Be very gentle with your kajal, otherwise you'll break it like I have done just now. Oopsie doopsie. Now with the help of this brush, I am just smudging the kajal very gently on your eyes. Guys, it will take a lot of time, trust me. Now that my kajal is smudged, so I am taking my City Mini palette and I am taking a kind of a black color from the palette and just applying it over the kajal to give it some intensity. Next I'll be taking my concealer and just giving it a cut crease look. Now with the help of a flat brush, I am applying the shade Castle which is a golden shimmery shade and giving it a smoky eye look, golden smoky eye look. Just look at that. Again I am taking my fluffy brush from PAC and just blending out both the eyeshadows. Again taking my shade Teddy from the palette and just giving some intensity to the transition shade again. Let's complete both the eyes off camera. For liner, I am taking Hyper Glossy liquid liner from Maybelline New York, and it is green in color as you can see, and it has come almost to an end. So next side will be off camera, guys. Now I'll be taking the same eyeshadows on my lower lash line to complete the eye look. Now I'm going to take the green eyeshadow from the Hilary Rhoda palette and just going to join the eyeliner with the lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply my kajal in my lower lash line, in my waterline. Quickly dust off the fallout. And now comes the time to curl my lashes with my Bronzing Professional Eyelash Curler. Now next is my Maybelline New York Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Here comes the game changer. These eyelashes are from Gub USA. We'll be applying it off screen. Next, I'll be taking the contour stick from K-Beauty and applying it on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose. Now blending with the help of this brush. Next step is blush, and just apply it on your apple of the cheeks, some of on your nose. Next is NYX Professional Makeup Setting Spray, which I'll be going to apply on my entire face to set my whole makeup, and it is going to last for very long. It just locks the makeup in your skin very beautifully. Now I'm just quickly applying my highlighter on the places where the light falls on my face. Some with my fan brush too, because highlighter तो आप जितना भी लगा लीजिए, you'll never get tired of it. Now time for lipstick. So for lipstick I am going to use Lakme 9 to 5 in the shade MR9 Red Letter. So yeah, here comes my complete look. Hope you all enjoyed watching it.
Everybody shake it, baby.
I love you guys. Mwah. Keep loving, keep supporting. Until the next time, a very goodbye.